Hello guys, if you love working in Excel, then creating dashboards is just fun for you. So how do we create a dashboard like this one, where your boss can filter his employees in the drop-down menu or type them and see how many hours they were absent on which month. Also, having a quick visualization of the employees with the most absent days, hours, and graphic visualization for the same agent, and all that comes from the raw data that looks like this that we receive. So let's get started. The first thing, let's create the drop down menu. We check the data where the names are. Here are B3 to B down. Okay, we go to the new one, we choose a cell, we insert a drop down, and we choose the drop down from range, and here we put the range. Once done, do done, and here we should be able to see all the names of the employees in our drop down. Now I'm going to quickly copy the colors of this dashboard, and how you do it, you Control Alt, you Control C, and you paste it the special format only, and you have the colors without the values copied. Okay. Next, let's fetch the dates and the hours that are in C1 and T1 and C2 and T2. Okay. We open formula array and we put the range C1 to T1. The first one, and the next one was also array. The next one was C2. C2 to T2. Okay. Employee absence. The data starts from H3 to T down. Okay. And here we have to use filter formula. Filter. We said C3 to T, and here also we have to show the formula to choose the right row for the chosen employee in B3 we have here. Okay, so we put the range of the names in the data sheet. That was from B3, if I remember well, to B down. Okay, and should be equal to the B3 here. Okay, so here once we put a name, it will fetch all the information from datasheet that are in the names row. Is how it works. Let's see what to do next. We are going to do this table where the employees are sorted by the absent hours. Okay, so we have the employee name, hours, and percentage. How we do it? With the query formula. Query. For this one now, we have to select the whole data from datasheet. Okay, and that starts from B3 with the first name. Good. All the way down to T. And next we have to tell the formula what we want to see. And we want to see the names, we want to see the hours and the percentages. So we say select, the names are in B, the hours are in S column, and the percentage in T column. Good. And we say also now next where B, the name, is not null. So we just pull the data where there is a name. Order by S, by the hours. Descent. Good. And that should be it. And now we have only data where we have the names sorted by the hours and next the percentage depending on them. Now we can just copy this one. Just to have them here. Good. What we left is the chart. For the chart is simple. We take the total of the employee absence percentage and we put the second value, so we have a nice chart here. Good. How we do it? We go here. Let's prepare our data. We go just write the simple formula. That's the total percentage. Usually minus the percentage actual. Good. We have 44 for him. So now we insert the chart. We choose which one we want to see. Standard. We add series. So we want to see this one. And we want to see this one. Good. We can add them labels. And there it is. We can do simple customization on the chart style. Okay, background can go black. And that's it, guys. Now we have our dashboard where we can select our employees, check the chart, check the month, how many hours, how many percentage he was absent, the global overview with the chart. We can here also type by name, so we don't need to look them. For example, Nicole, and you just select him. So that's it. Author is just simple customization like my dashboard.